Good Samaritan Medical Center is getting ready for a huge turnout tonight for Congressman David Wu's town hall meeting on health care reform.
He's had one already, and it was a packed house. K2's Valerie Hurst joins us live now. Good morning, Val. And if folks are planning on heading out here, there's no guarantee they'll get in.
There is no guarantee, Natalie. You know, this was the first health care town hall meeting that we've had in our area since we've been watching the other ones across the nation, some of them getting very rowdy. We certainly learned yesterday in McMinnville that the lesson there is to get here early, get to the location early. Today it's going to be at Good Samaritan Hospital here in Portland, Northwest Portland, where Congressman David Wu will be holding his second town hall meeting. People waited a couple hours yesterday and still did not get into that meeting. And we expect it could be another intense one here at Good Sam. Last night people got angry. They were getting pretty loud there, talking over one another. But it really wasn't like what we've seen across the country, where people were exchanging verbal jabs in town hall meetings, sometimes even getting violent. That was not the case in McMinnville. David Wu told K2 that he really thought overall this meeting went well.
But we don't want to be shouted down, and we don't want to have chants and this type of thing. So it's very important to be here.
Even after the hour-long meeting, Wu was still bombarded with questions, which means we will most likely have a very large crowd here around noontime today at Good Samaritan. Also, later this week, David Wu, the congressman, will be having meetings in Seaside, we're told, and St. Helens. It's all posted, all that information on his website. Congressman Earl Blumenauer also holding a town hall meeting tonight at 6 o'clock, but his will be over the phone. Carl and Natalie?
All right, Val, thanks. A lot of people want to make sure their voices are heard in all this, and President Obama will hold a town hall meeting in New Hampshire today about the health care overhaul. He is praising the vigorous debate that's popped up at these town halls all across the country, saying it's healthy. Meanwhile, Republicans say the debates are a sign of widespread public dissatisfaction with the president's ideas. Opponents of the health care overhaul say it would result in a government-run system where people are denied care, as they say happens in Canada. President Obama says that is not true.
I suspect that once we get into the fall and people look at the actual legislation that's being proposed, that more sensible and reasoned arguments will emerge.
The White House launched a new website to directly counter what it calls myths about the health care overhaul. To access it, go to KATU.com and click on Inside K2 for a hot link, and stay with K2 as the health care overhaul debate evolves. We will have continuing coverage of how the issue will affect your money and your health.